Hey there guys, welcome back to the MAMBAS weekly update. I hope you're ready. Let's get started. During our lesson of the week, we will learn to improvise to stay fit. Students will be able to take part in activities with limited equipment. Also, being able to use their imagination as they improvise to create their own fitness program. During our wellness message, Miss Allie is going to introduce our Café. That's going to be a place where we are going to learn new cooking recipes, in addition to the benefits of healthy eating. Now, for additional school updates. This week, we will be doing an MLK Community initiative. Here for you, Miss Allie, who will give you more information about the project.
Hi everyone. Let me start off by introducing myself. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Miss Allie and I'm the HealthCorps Program Coordinator here at Academy of Math and Science. I'm here to talk about a really exciting opportunity that we have to give back and help others in our community this month. Next Monday, January 18th, is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. This is a holiday that celebrates all that Martin Luther King Jr. has done as a civil rights leader in our community. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is also a day to give back to our communities. And this is especially important during hard times such as these. While we might not be able to go out into our communities physically and volunteer that way, there are still a ton of different ways that we can help. AMS and my organization HealthCorps has partnered with Native Connections, which is a homeless shelter here in Phoenix. Our plan is to donate supplies like socks, shampoo and conditioner, toothpaste, and so much more to help those who need it most. So this is where you come in. We're asking AMS families to donate whatever they can to help those in need. So we have provided a list here of several different items that you can donate. For the next 2 weeks, starting Tuesday, January 19th and going through Friday, January 29th, we're going to be collecting these items at the school. We're calling this the MLK Day Toiletry Drive, and we'd love for your help. You can drop these items off at the school when you're coming to pick up your students' learning materials, or you can just swing by and say hi while practicing social distancing and wearing masks, of course. It's so important to come together as a family, as a community, to help those in need. And it's also really important to set good examples for our students and the future generations on why it's important to give back to the community. Every little bit helps, and we would appreciate any and all donations. If you have any additional questions or need any additional information, feel free to reach out to the school, or you can send me an email here. Again, my name is Miss Allie with HealthCorps, and I'm so excited to bring the Mamba family together and show everyone just how much we appreciate and love our community.
Finally, tip of the week. We need to understand what's good, what's bad, within wellness, within nutrition, within anything in life. The most important thing is, what are you going to do about it? Now, biggest tip I could tell you about that is educate yourself. Constantly ask the right questions. Don't be afraid. There's nothing wrong with that. So, remember, continue to educate yourself and stay healthy, my friends.